All right, Lauren, let's take a look at our setup. So we've got Nelly Corda on the left-hand side of the screen. And as we take a look at your club head, you're going to see how that club head now is staying very close to your original shaft plane line. So by P2, you can see the hands and the club head are right in line with each other. And as we take the club back, you can see now that the lead arm, your left arm, is higher than it was when we first started. Now, take a look at Nelly, and as she takes her club back, see how the club is following her shaft plane line. There she is at 2, club head in line with hands. And now just watch how the arms and the shoulders work as she turns to the top of her swing. All right, so there she is at the top. Lead arm, left arm, is covering trail shoulder. And so what we talked about today was getting your left arm, take a look at your side of the screen, that angle, just a little more so that it's higher. All right, but it's definitely a huge improvement in our short time together. So if you look at the rest of the body lines though, look at Nelly's body, where her upper body is, her waist, her legs, and look at how that relates to yours. So you have a lot of things similar. The one thing we notice is that our spine angle kind of tilted back toward the target a little bit. So I just want you to take note of that. And as we watch Nelly as she takes her downswing, remember the hips are going first, her hips are unwinding, hips are leading. And see where that club head is in relationship to the shaft plane or your swing plane, right on it. Impact position, she's off of her trail side, off of her right foot. Now look at the space that she has here between the neck and the shoulder. So we also spoke about that space. So as we are swinging into and through the ball, just notice your right shoulder, how it's getting closer to your chin. So we talked about the downward pressurization, the increasing pressurizing of the shoulders and hands and arms away from your head or your body as you're swinging. So quite clearly, I'm going to take her back to the impact position so you can see all that space that she has versus our impact position, and you can just see the lack of space. So your shoulder is right up there next to your face, covering part of it. And then look at the difference there. See all that space that she has here. All right. And then as we are swinging through, that's why we hit it just a little bit swirly, but our shoulders lifted up, the arms bend a little, we hit it a little thin. And that's what happened. Still a good miss, but obviously we're looking to hit it better and better. So take a look at Nelly as she goes through and just notice that big gap there. Those shoulders have remained down as she's going through the ball to her finish, just like you.